Hi there and welcome to this practice. My name is Rodi and I will guide you through a short yoga sequence for joint relaxation. Find yourself a comfortable sitting position. You can sit crossed legs, you can even sit on your heels. Please use a prop, use props if you need to support your spine in this sitting position. Support your spine nice and straight, okay? As always, we'll begin just by closing the eyes, relaxing the hands down on the knees, taking a deep breath, deep inhale, and exhale. Inhale through the nostrils, exhale through the mouth, and let it go. Let go anything that no longer serves you at this moment. Inhale through the nostrils. Exhale. Let's go one more. Inhale. Exhale. Come to a natural flow of your breath. Connect with a natural flow of your breath. Deep inhale and slow exhale. And without opening the eyes, let's inhale here and exhale, bringing the chin down to the chest. Inhale again, rotate your head to the right, drop it back, come to the left, and back down, chin to the chest. Conscious movements, just follow the movements, do not rush it, don't go too fast. Be aware, be present with the movement. A few more in this direction. Keep breathing, keep that connection with the breath. Chin back to the center, to the chest, and switch direction, go to the left. Back, right, chest. Left, back, right, chest. Two more. Really feel the stretching in the neck, the activations happening in the neck, relaxing at the same time. Back, chin to the chest. Inhale and exhale here. Inhale, bring your head back up. Exhale. Inhale, bring the shoulders up to the ears, rotate them back and release them down. Shoulders up, back and down. Up, back and down. Keep going, up, back and down. One more, up, back and down. Inhale, open the arms wide, and we're going to do the same thing, shoulder rotation with our arms extended. So up, extend them up, back and down. Up, back and down. A few more. Keep your eyes closed and bring that awareness inside. Total awareness of the movements. Two more. Amazing. One more. And release the hands down on your knees. Amazing. Let's inhale. Open the chest forward. Chest and also the pelvis is pushing forward. Exhale, round the back, chin to the chest. Pelvis also comes back. It's like your belly wants to go back and give a kiss to the spine. Inhale again, open, forward, open, extend, expand. Exhale, come all the way back. with your spine curved and chin to the chest. Inhale again, forward, open. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Back to the center. Inhale. Exhale, round the back again, chin to the chest. And inhale, rotate to the left. Come forward, go to the right and back. Forward towards the left, right and back. Again, forward and back. Deep breath, keep breathing, keep staying present, keep your eyes closed. And let's switch sides. Go towards the right, forward, left and back. Right, forward, left and back. Right, forward, left and back. 2 more. And back to the center. Shake it a little bit. Shake it in the arms, shake it in the chest. Awesome. Let's inhale, arms up. Exhale, bring your hands down to the mat and come up into a tabletop. Come to your knees. Knees underneath the shoulders, the hips and wrists underneath the shoulders. Sorry about that. Okay, let's extend the right leg back. Bend in the right knee and do hip rotations here. Let's rotate that right hip externally for 5. Keep being present with your breath. Keep inhaling and exhaling deeply and slowly. And 1, extend the right leg back, hold for 2. And 1, bend again the right knee and rotate inside, inward for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Extend again and release. Let's switch sides. Left leg extends back. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, rotations with the left hip for 5. Deep breaths. 3, 2, and 1. Extend the left leg back. Deep inhale. Exhale, rotate inwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Extend back. Hold for 2. And release. Inhale. Exhale, bring the hips down towards the heels, forehead down, child's pose for a few breaths. Inhale and exhale here. Stay seated on your heels. Slowly come up with your torso, your chest, head up. Keep your eyes closed. Relax your hands, your arms down to your legs. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Release, relax the forehead, the muscles around the eyes, the shoulders down. And notice the difference between before and after this short practice. See how much has been activated in only 10 minutes. What are the new sensations that are running around your body? What do you feel? How do you feel? what is alive. Let's take one more deep inhale here. And exhale through the mouth. And with your next inhale, slowly opening the eyes. And thank you so much for joining me today for this session. I will see you next time. Namaste.